Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. Some set of scales there, thought you might be interested in them. Let me just tell you a little bit more about them. So a week or so ago, me and my wife went to an antique store, and as we were about to start walking around, she mentioned she would like some old scales in the kitchen as like a display piece. Well, we walked around and then we came across these. Cost me £30. They're not made by Trent Scales. I think they were just the agent. It's by a company called Mordew Brothers Limited, based in Newcastle on Tyne. I don't know how old these are, but it goes up to £3 in total, in increments of quarter an ounce. So 1 ounce, 2 ounce, I think it's quarter, yeah. Quarter, half, 3/4, 1 ounce, £1, £2, £3. And what I thought was quite interesting was that these are all the prices per pound, all the way down here. It says on there, look. Price per pound, new pence. And then this red string here is actually come away, so I need to fix that. And it's actually missing the glass off the front as well. And I also don't think this pan is designed for it, but it looks okay. I think I'm gonna give that a good clean up. I do like this blue colour around the outside. There's a few bits that need clean up on here, a bit of paint on there, we can clean that up. But I thought I'd show you in case anyone knew anything about these scales. It's got this plate on the side there. To regulate indicator speed, turn knurled dashpot top. Slow and fast, dashpot located behind this cover plate. I think it's this thing under there. I'm not sure though. I haven't properly investigated it. I've just realised something. The cover plate is this. So inside there, you can adjust the speed. It must be connected to that pot. Yeah, don't know how that works. So yeah, I want to investigate that further. There we go. But yeah, it's on legs. And it needs a new piece of glass on the front. The back glass is there. So, glass there. There was this plastic bit that was obviously old surround from the glass previously from the front. So I'll get a new piece of glass. I might actually get Perspex plastic to go in there. I say it's just going to be a display piece. And if you notice, it's set at, well, £1, 8 ounces. So that needs rectifying, needs to go back to 0. Or does it? It's a display piece. So I think I'll have a play around with it. I'll take it apart. But if you've got any advice or any hints, or you've worked on anything like this in the past, and also, do you know how old it is? It'd be interesting to find out more. I'm going to look on here. It's a Type, you can see on there, Type 88, to weight £3. Yeah, I think it looked really effective in the kitchen when we've done it. We'll probably just use it for fruit bowl, actually. I quite like it. Just needs a bit of a clean. There's just a few scuffs here and there, but I think that'll polish up really nicely. And I'm wondering, should it have had like a logo plate on here as well? And on the back. Again, here's the name. I'll get rid of those stickers. Don't want them on there. But yeah, there we go. Help needed. Let's say we're weighing some potatoes and they're 25 pence per pound, then that red string on there should indicate how much it is for, let's say, £2. So yeah, just go by the red string. So I'll fix that. But yeah, really interesting. There we go. Read only the values indicated by the red line. And then if you notice on this side, these costs here are done by 1 new penny divisions, and that one's in half new penny divisions. So you can see the increments for a penny and increments of half penny. So there we go. Put your comments below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.